to my channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can make your own YouTube channel. So, what you have to do to make your channel is you have to make a Google account. If you have a Google account, you can make your YouTube channel a Google. But when you are if you're on YouTube, you actually can make, if you have a picture on your Google, you can use that picture for your YouTube channel. And what you need to do, what I mean by that, I mean you can use the same picture is on your Google and make a YouTube profile picture. To make these videos, you have to get a camera. Let me open my camera that don't work. You have to open your camera. Like I can see y'all. But you open your camera and you can record of your camera. And when you are done filming your video, you go over here to iMovie and then you can edit this this is my own intro, by the way. I won't use this in my new this video, but anyway. So what you have to do is you have to say if I want to use this intro for my video. I go up here. Let me find you, man. Video. Say if I want to do this video, I put it in here. I put the video. I put the video in here. So, I put the video in here. Right? So I put what you have to do to edit your videos. You put the video in here, like that, and then you can put whatever music you want. So I got a download music on my tab. iPad, so you can use whatever music you want. And when you're done doing your music, you go over here and then you. What took me so long is I was trying to show y'all how to do it, and I am talking at the same time. So bear with me, everybody. It might take me a while to do it. You can go over here and then you hit save because they, well, back in the YouTube days, before I dropped my own YouTube, before I started my own YouTube channel, they used to have the YouTube, like, they used to have the YouTube thing. They had the YouTube part right here. So what I got to do, kick it, and then it will send it right to YouTube. But I had to send it to my iPad. So what you need to do is you have to save it to whatever you want, and when you save it, it might take a while, but anyway. So when you need, and you save your video, when you get done editing, you can use CapCut and make your videos better if you want. And if you don't have a real laptop, computer, you can also use CapCut. You also can use this, and but after you're done making your video, after you do whatever you are doing, you go on YouTube, and then you go right here, and then you hit the top button, and then you hit this video, and then you hit done, and then to hit my video. So what you have to do is you have to go up here, you have to hit upload, and then you can name your video whatever you want. Now you can name your video whatever you can name your video about whatever you're talking about. Say if I talk about my mom or my dad or my brother or my brothers, I will put them names. What I will put I am like talking about my brother. I will be talking. I am talking about my brother or something like that. So, and then you hit, and then get out of there, and then you hit upload, and then you hit, and then you hit post. I'm not going to post the video, but because I already did. But yeah, that's how you edit it. That's how you make your channel, edit your videos, and post them at the same time. Are we going to separate it in EP videos? But I like now. So if you got any questions about how you edit it, how you post it, how you do whatever, go and watch this video. It's only from my camera angle, but I was trying to do. I'm trying to hold my camera and talk at the same time, but I couldn't do it. So, that's the end of today's video. I hope you like this video. So, subscribe to see more videos, and I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.